Hello, everyone, and welcome to, I'm not sure how to word this, I guess, the end of the semester. If you're watching this video, you've noticed that Module 7 is open, or you saw the announcement, and you're clicked here, now you're watching this video as I speak, although that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So let me go over the last bit of everything in the semester, and yes, the 8th module, which is just the final exam, is also open. So if you want, you can finish your semester early. Here are lessons 7.1 through lesson 7.9, which is fetal development. Ending things out, this section is called the genital urinary system, this module. It involves both urinary and reproduction. So it's going to end with fetal development, just a real quick highlight of that whole process. That could be an entire semester if it needed to be. For lab, so I just have it here. So here are the outlines. This is the urinary system. Here's the reproductive system. Here are lab PowerPoints. Another PowerPoint says lab outline video pictures. So here's the ones for urinary, and these are lab outline videos. So if I will go through these videos, go through all the pictures with you. You will need to look at that. And then over here, same thing. Lab outline video pictures for reproduction, lab outline videos. So these outline pictures are the actual pictures on the exam. And then these videos go through that. So you'll want to watch those. And then here are some diagrams. Of course, these are all labeled. These are all really good diagrams, actually. So the lab exam covers both urinary and reproduction. And then right here is the, anyway, under the assignments, I'm getting ahead of myself. Here's the study hall for lecture. And there are these are detailed. Here's one for reproduction. Here's a link to OpenStax. These have really good pictures, especially the reproductive and the urinary ones. And then here's some videos. Just kind of tried to pick some really good ones and not give, quite so many, just some good quality ones. But you'll want to review that as well. And then under the assignments, there is not a research assignment. That is only under the last one was module 6. So this section does not have a research assignment. There are 3 lessons, and then here is the lab exam, and then here's the lecture exam. So these 1, 2, 3, there's 5 assignments in this particular module. Once you have finished those, all the module assignments you're done with. And I'm going to go down here. Here is the comprehensive final. It is 100 questions, like it says here. It's over the lecture material, not the lab. So it's 100 question that covers from the endocrine system through reproduction, and it's only the lecture type questions. So here's some information about it. You'll need to look at that. And then when you're done, take a victory lap, watch the video. And then this learning journal, I'll make sure I change the date for this, because right here, if you'll notice the date, I try not to date these videos, but I'll be doing another one for this class after this one's finished. I have to mention one thing, that due dates like this, 5/7, those are hard due dates. There's no wiggle room. Okay, once that date is passed, the class is over. So at that point, your grades will be submitted, and graduation is just a few days after that. And Howard College needs the grades as soon as they can get them in. So anyway, that's a hard due date, period. Class is over after 5/7/23. If you need a letter recommendation from me, of course, you can email me, but any questions about the class after 5/7/23 most likely will not be answered, because we are done. The semester is over at that point. This learning journal is really kind of set up to be kind of a grade builder type example. Students have been asking about bonus points. We have to do the same thing for everybody. These are comprehensive, too many concussions. These are competitive classes for allied health. So we all have to do the same thing, and everybody has to get the same treatment. One person can't get an opportunity for bonus points and not give the entire class. And we're very limited in what we can do, once again, because they're competitive courses for allied health. Your grade depends on your getting into some of these programs. So it had to be very, very fair and very what's the word? Lordy, all my high school concussions are coming back. Anyway, we have to do the same for everybody. I'm not quite sure what word I was groping for. So let's see here. Anyway, this learning journal, I'll change the date to match this, but you're expected to have 8 entries. Just write what you liked, just anything at all. It has some instructions in there, including the final exam for module 8. Put what you thought. Did you was it what you were expecting? Did you do as well as you thought you were going to do? That kind of thing. All right. So anyway, that is it. Please check your announcements and email me if you have any questions.